Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to change polling rate on the Logitech G502. This applies to all mouse, so if you don't have a Logitech G502, then this tutorial is also for you. So first of all, install Logitech G Hub, and then once you installed it, you will see the landing page like this. On the top main bar, you will see all of your Logitech connected components. You can see your keyboard here or your headphones, but let's focus on the mouse. So once you plug in your G502, you will see a G502 icon here. Click on that. Once you click on it, firstly, it will show the settings for the LED lights, but we don't want that, right? Now, on the left navigation bar, you will see three buttons. For the light, the plus button, and something like a crosshair icon. Click on that third icon, the crosshair icon. Once you're here, you will see the DPI settings along with the polling rate settings. You will see here, it is indicated as report rate per second, and you will adjust it to your liking. You can set it to 125, 250, 500, or 1000, which is the common or typical setting for gaming mouse. So basically that's it. That's how you change your polling rate on your Logitech G502.